Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a low sleek bun with a low sleek ponytail. So yeah, the hair that I'm going to use is from Bobbi Boss, just glam, pre-feathered, and this is like 65 inches. And I got it in the color 1, so it's like black. I got it from my local beauty supply store. There are 3 bundles in here, 3 packs I guess in here, and it was only $5.99, so that's a good deal. I probably should have gotten a 1B, but I don't think they had a 1B. So I know I want to do a side part, but not like a swoop. I kind of just want my hair to like lay like right here, and, you know, do its little thing. So yeah, we're just gonna part this off. All right, so I had to move my camera up a little bit. So I'm debating on like how I want to do. So I have my Eco Styler gel. This is the argan oil one, and then I think I might just seal it with the edge booster, because this gel is, when I say now, this is stronghold, right? Stronghold. This is like the definition of stronghold. This will hold your life together, I promise. All right, I hope y'all could see that. Nope. If not, sorry. I know I suck, sorry. I tried.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is allowed. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling, and you can quench this fire, no. So give me when I want it, baby, 'cause I got what you need. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Just give it to me, oh, give it to me now. Slow down.
wish I had my part a little bit deeper, but it's already done, it's already laid, whatever. Okay, y'all. So I had to take a brief intermission because I couldn't figure out what was happening. Anyway, here we are. We're back and we're gonna try this again. Okay, so I'm gonna split. I'm going to wrap this around here twice around my pony. All right, and then we're gonna get her done. Okay, and then I'm going to take out a piece of hair to wrap around my ponytail holder and stuff. I think this should be enough, more than enough. Clip that out the way. I'm going to take some shine and jam and like put this all over my ponytail because I want to braid. I'm gonna braid my hair into the braiding hair, so I just want to make sure that my real hair doesn't disrespect me. So I'm just gonna add some shine and jam on here. All right, y'all, so I think it's been like maybe like 15-20 minutes since, so let's take the scarf off. Y'all, this is my hair. It looks so cute. There are a few like imperfections, like at the top. I'm not really sure why my hair is trying to play me, but it's fine, like whatever. No matter how much I try to be great for my edges, they just aren't great for me. Whatever, we're gonna get there, just not today. I'm taking some of the Style Factor edge control and I'm just gonna redo my edges. Oh wait, I feel like even though my necklace is silver, let's put some hoop earrings and see how this comes out. I only have these big hoop earrings right here, so let's see. All right, so I don't know, I think the hoops give it a little flavor. Okay, I think I like it. I think I like it with the hoops. Maybe, I don't know. Y'all tell me what y'all think, hoops or studs. Tell me which one you think looks better. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.